That's right. Chicken enchiladas courtesy of Greer's. We have Lucy here, and Lucy, he's not mic'd up, so introduce us to another one of your family members.
Here's Nick. You look like a Baja Blast.
Yeah, all colorful. Nick, we're going to get you a microphone in the next segments so you can talk more, but thanks for being here.
Okay.
Yeah, that seems about right. Lucy, what are we working on today?
So today we're making chicken enchiladas. The kids, I think everybody's back to school, Baldwin, Mobile, and I think the rest of the kids go back to school today.
Yeah.
So this is just a dinner that hopefully everybody would eat. Do you like chicken enchiladas? I know you like tacos.
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Okay, talk loud so they can hear you. All right, what do you have in here?
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. So
cream cheese.
Yep, we have 8 ounces of cream cheese that's softened. So Nick has been stirring that up, and we are going to add, we have some ground cumin, chili powder, and garlic powder. All right, put that in there. Yep. And then we also have salt, pepper, and onion powder. So stir that in. So this is just like all the spices that you would get out of a taco seasoning mix, but I just have all these spices in the pantry. So once we get that added in, you could do this with ground beef or ground turkey. It smells good. Or chicken. So today I have chicken. You could use rotisserie chicken, or I just cooked. Does smell like tacos. Or I had just cooked 2, these are really big chicken breasts, and just cooked that and shredded it up. So we will add this, and this is going to be our filling.
Nice.
So,
I love chicken enchiladas. I think it's a great dish. As you kind of were alluding to here, Lucy, you can make one pan of it and it feeds the whole family.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. And the great thing now, you know, there's so many tortilla options. I grabbed the carb balance ones. You could use whole wheat, you could use corn, whatever, just regular flour. And it's something that you can make ahead, bake off the next day. These really do freeze well too. So, or, you know, if you wanted to, a lot of us, you know, try to do some nights that are meat-free. This would be really good. You could just do black beans instead of any meat. So really, it's really versatile. All right, so we're gonna work this in.
All right, help me understand this. So you say freeze well, so you would put it together just in order to the point where it's ready to bake and put it in the freezer? Okay, so you could do that like on the weekend, and then you say like, okay, Wednesday is the day when we have to be quick and put it in the oven for like 30 minutes.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. And a lot of people, you know, if they don't have a lot of mouths to feed at home, then they're not going to want to eat this, you know, all week and just eat it over and over and over. So you could prepare it up to that point, freeze half, and then you could pull it out later. So this one is really good and versatile. All right, we're giving up here.
Lucy,
so
back in my single days, I could eat that whole thing.
No, yeah, back in my day. Okay. So once we get all this mixed up, then this is going to be our filling, and we are going to make a quick sauce and have some vegetables hidden in there.
All right, good stuff. You can find the recipe for this chicken enchiladas online. Is this one in the cookbook or no?
No, this one's not in the cookbook.
This is an exclusive Studio 10 recipe.
It is exclusive.
How about that? All right, Nick, thanks for being here. We'll get you a mic in a little bit. Chelsea, lots of fun, lots of good food in the kitchen.
Welcome back into the Studio 10 kitchen with our friend Lucy and her son Nick. Nick, it's good to see you. Hi. We got him mic'd up so he can talk now. We're so happy you're here with us. We love having the kiddos here in the kitchen with us, and we're making something I'm sure that you guys maybe eat a lot at home. You don't.
You said you just ate these the other day.
Not the other day. When we were in Andalusia, we ate them once.
Okay, but did you like them?
Yes.
We make tacos a lot. So
Right.
we do make tacos a lot. Today we're making chicken enchiladas. So I was surprised they went to a Mexican restaurant in Andalusia. So I am surprised that you ordered chicken enchiladas.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, yeah, ordered them. Okay.
And then she shared them.
Oh, she shared them. Okay, good. Well, I'm glad. Sometimes Nick is not a very adventurous eater, and he doesn't like to try things. So,
I get it.
But you never know until you try stuff.
Nick, what's on your do not eat list? Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. This is the only kid I know that will not eat macaroni and cheese. I don't know what it is.
The flavor.
Yeah. I could introduce you to some like powdered orange cheese, and it could change your life if you haven't had the Kraft. It's some good stuff. I don't know if you'd like it or not.
We had Velveeta last night.
That's the good stuff.
She forgot to force me.
Yeah, I put a little on his plate, and then I forgot to follow up and make sure he ate it.
So funny.
I gave it to Dad.
You gave it to Dad, yeah. So tell him what are we doing? We're rolling up up. We're almost finished rolling up our
Chicken enchiladas.
Yep, so we did. So we started with cream cheese in here, and we seasoned it up with, and look, we can just scooch these over.
Okay.
Boop.
Got them.
Perfect.
Get in there.
So we started with cream cheese, and we added some chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, some cumin, just all of our taco seasoning spices, and then we added in 2 cups of cooked chicken. So we did that, and then we rolled them up in our tortillas. I'm sorry, are you busy on?
Yeah.
You're getting some text messages?
He's getting a call.
Okay, so Nick and Jack turned 10 this summer.
No way.
And they got watches.
Fun.
And
Jack's at PE getting interrupted by text.
Jack's at PE. He's at school. Nick didn't go to school today.
They wouldn't let me go back.
He was feeling a little under the weather. So now, so we could kind of keep up with them. They're playing in the neighborhood, so we can say, come home or whatever.
Right.
But we underestimated how hilarious their text messages would be. So now Nick and Jack are on, all of our family text messages, and they are hysterical.
I bet you guys have a
we're
blast.
not in the Greer family 8.
Yeah, we're in a new Greer family, and then we have one with Spiro's family, so it's really funny. Okay, so we rolled those up. We have them in our baking dish, and now we are going to start on our sauce. So instead of just getting a can of enchilada sauce, I thought this would be a good opportunity. 1 second, we're not ready for the lid yet. I thought this would be a good opportunity to add in some veggies. So I started in our blender here. I did half of a green bell pepper, half of a yellow, and half of a small onion, and now I'm adding 8 ounces of crushed tomatoes.
Okay, we're ready.
Wait, we got to put in our seasoning.
Short on time
Okay.
here.
So I'm going to add in some more seasonings. We're going to blend it up over the break.
Okay,
put this
perfect.
in?
We're gonna blend this
Yep.
up and then throw these guys in the oven with Lucy and Nick. I promise you it will be entertaining, so stay tuned.
Thank you.
Right here
No,
on
I put the
Studio
top on.
10.
Okay.
No, yay.
We'll wait.
Me
They're
press
talking.
button.
They're talking.
Joe.
I want to press the button.
Cheers.
Back in the kitchen with Lucy and Nick. We are cooking with Greer's today. Nick, what's your favorite food?
Pizza.
Specifically, any type of pizza?
Pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni pizza. Do you like these chicken enchiladas?
I've never had them.
Yep, this is a new recipe.
Oh.
So we'll see.
Well,
what's your favorite thing that I cook?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
What did you say when you found out that I put vegetables all in the spaghetti?
I didn't want them.
You didn't want it, even though you like it. And we hid some vegetables in our sauce, too.
Yeah.
So we're making chicken enchiladas, and I'm pouring the sauce on top. So here, you spread it out, and I'll tell them what's in the sauce. So in our blender, we took 8 ounces of crushed tomatoes, just out of our can, and I added half of a small onion, half of a green bell pepper, half of a red bell pepper, and some of our same taco seasonings that we put inside our filling. So that was just our quick sauce that we whipped up, and now Nick is spreading that on top. So inside the enchiladas, inside we used 2 cups of cooked chicken. You could use rotisserie or beef or whatever you want to use. And we started off with some cream cheese and added our taco seasonings to that. And so we have a cream. Okay. Let's put the cheese on. Let's put the cheese on. Okay,
Yes,
there we go. And so then we added.
Can I pour it?
Yeah. Okay. Nick is not.
This is mine now.
Nick is not my. Please stop. Nick, jeez, Manetti.
No.
Nick is not my cook.
Uh-huh.
I'm not sure if you can tell.
We've mentioned this on the show before. Jack, who was here earlier, enjoys cooking.
Jack enjoys cooking.
And it appears Nick enjoys eating.
Nick enjoys eating cheese.
Yeah.
So now we just put a cup of cheddar cheese on top. So we'll bake these at 375 for
this.
about 25 minutes, and then we will be ready to eat. So back to school. Hopefully your kids had a good first day.
They did. Yeah, it was great.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and mine did too. So kind of back into the rhythm of things, and so I'm going to try. I kind of was hit or miss on cooking during the summer because things were a little bit wild. So this is something that is pretty easy. Everybody can help. Nick rolled them up, so it's kind of fun, something to do with the kids. They like pressing the buttons on the blender. If you're going to grate your own cheese, they like doing that. So this one's really interactive with the kids.
Yeah, I love this recipe. Can't wait to make it myself. I love how you hide some veggies in there as well, so you get some nutrition in there. It's a great great recipe. For all the information on Greer's and their sales and all that, where do they look?
Yep, they can go to follow us on social, Instagram, Facebook. You can go to greers.com for all of our recipes and videos that we do on here every week, or you could download our free app. You just type in Greer's and we can do all the shopping for you. We can have it delivered to your house or a curbside pickup. So any which way, we'll get you your groceries.
All right. Anything you want to say before we go here today on television?
No.
Say hi to your brother or your sister?
They're at school. They can't see this.
Okay. Well, all right then.
Your grandmother's watching.
Oh, hi.
There we go. All right. Cook it with Greer's. You can find the recipe online. Guys, thanks a lot.
Thank
Which
you.
one?
We got a cheese monster in the kitchen here.
I was about to say, whenever I cook with cheese, half of the cheese is gone.